Hello students, in previous video we have started the worksheet number 4. In that we have done the word problems based on multiplication and division, and we have also discussed the situations when we have to multiply and situations where we have to use division. So let us revise what we have discussed yesterday. When one thing is given and we have to find out the many of the same type, then we have to multiply. And when many things are given and we have to find out the one from them, then we have to divide. So that we have discussed yesterday. We have done A and C part of worksheet number 4, and B part was also discussed. Now today we will discuss question number D and E. So the question is, Mr. Mohan earn rupees 19,750 every month. So here what is given is the earning of Mr. Mohan in 1 month. Every month means each month 1 month. Now the question is, how much will he earn in 8 years? Now here the problem is that given thing is in month and we have to find the earning in years. First of all, try to understand which operation we will use. It is from 1 to many or many to 1. Yes, it is from 1 to many, because here the earning of 1 month is given and we have to find out the earning of 8 years, that means many months. So this question is of multiplication. Now the problem is the given thing is in month and we have to find in years. So for that we have to convert this years into month. So let us start the question. So we always write the given things first. So what is given? Earning of Mr. Mohan in 1 month. Earning of Mr. Mohan in 1 month is rupees 19,750. Now what we have to find out? Earning in 8 years. Earning of Mr. Mohan in 8 years. 8 years. Or we have to convert this 8 years into month. How many months are there in 1 year? Yes, there are 12 months in 1 year. Now we have to find out number of months in 8 years. So for this we have to multiply 8 by 12 months. So that means there are 96 months in 8 years. So here we have converted this 8 years into month. Or 8 years means, or you can say 96 months. Because earning is given in months, so we have to find multiply with months only, number of months only. So the earning of Mr. Mohan in 96 months is rupees 19,750 multiplied by 96 months. So multiply it. 6 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 3 carry over, 7 6 are 42, plus 3 is 45, 4 carry over, 9 6 are 54, plus 4 is 58. Now 6 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. Then move to the tens place. We will put cross at ones place. So 9 zeros are 0, 9 5s are 40. Carry over 4. 9 7 is 63, plus 4 is 67. 9 9s are 81, plus 6 is 87. 8. And 9 1 is 9, plus 8 is 17. Now we have to add. 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0, 5 plus 0 is, here 9 5s are 45, it's 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1. So Mr. Mohan earns rupees 18,96,000 rupees in 8 years. So our answer is, the question is how much will he earn in 8 years? So we will write Mr. Mohan earns rupees 18,96,000 in 8 years. So in this way we can solve this question. Now move to the next question, that is question number E. The question is, during floods, $43,725 villagers became homeless. The government put up tents. Each tent housing 265 villagers. Now how many tents were put up? Now try to understand this question. That during flood, 43,725 villagers become homeless. And the government put up tents, each tent housing 265 villagers. How many tents were put up? Now that formula 1 to many and many to 1 will not work here. Here the total number of villagers is given and the number of villagers in each tent is given. Now what you have to do, how you can understand this question, suppose you have 100 toffees and 25 toffees can come in one packet. So how many packets can you make? So for that you have to make 25 in one packet, then 25 in another packet, then 25. That means you have to distribute 100 toffees in different parts of 25 toffees. So in this way 43,725 villagers are distributed in equal parts of 265 villagers. So that means in this question we have to divide. Let us solve the question. What is given is total number of villagers. So total number of villagers are 43,725 and number of villagers housing in one tent, that is 265. Now what we have to find is how many tents were put up. So therefore number of tents put up. So we have to divide them. 43,725 is divided by 265. So let us divide them. 43,725 divided by 265. So here 265 is of 3 digits, so we have to take at least 3 digits. So we have taken 437. So 437 is greater than 265. So we are taking 3 digits, 437. So we will do rough work over here. 265 under 265, 265 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5, 530. So it is quite bigger than 437, so we have to take multiply it by 1 only. 265 ones are 265. Subtract it. 7 minus 5 is 2. Take carry over. 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. What is left over here is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now what will come down is 2. Now this number is quite big, so we will multiply it by 5. So 265 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32, 5 to 10 plus 3 is 13. 1325 is still smaller than 1722. Let us move to the next number. 6 jar 30, 36 plus 3 is 39, 6 to 12 plus 3 is 15, 1590. Still smaller. Then move to the next. 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, plus 3 is 45, 14 plus 4 is 18. So it is bigger than 1722. So we will multiply it by 6. So it is 1590. Subtract it. 2. Now here 2 is smaller. We will borrow. It will become 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. What will left over here is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now what will come down is 5. So here we have multiplied 265 by 5. So it is 1325. So 265 5s are 1325. So nothing is there to come down. So this is the answer. 165 tents. So here is the answer. So what is asked? How many tents were put up? So we will write the answer. 165 tents were put up. So in this way we can solve the word problems based on multiplication and division. Thank you.